Good morning, y'all. It's Cassidy. Welcome back to my channel if you're new. Welcome back to my channel if you're old. Welcome to my channel if you're new. I post videos on content creation, filmmaking, and branding. And today we're gonna spend a day in my life at home. I do a lot of content creation, filmmaking, and branding in my day-to-day life. So I thought it'd be fun to do another day in the life. You guys seem to enjoy my last one when I was in DC for a film festival, interviews and all that kind of stuff. Check that out if you have not already. But today, you know, we're living a quarantine lifestyle, so let's get it. So when I wake up, the first thing I usually do is brush my teeth and get dressed to go work out. So to the track, man. I'm currently training for a 5K. So that's been a lot of fun. I usually run and work out in the gym, but I've been on the track. I've been on track since like high school, so nostalgia.
I can get fly, 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 fly. I can get fly, 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 fly. I can get fly.
All right, y'all. So I'm all dressed, repping my dad's alma mater, Tuskegee. So yeah, I'm at my desk area. This is where I flow, and so I'm working from home like a good amount of people. So I usually, after I get ready and everything, I like to just sit at my desk and get as much work done as I can early in the day, so I can spend the rest of my day kind of just doing what I want to do.
I can get fly, 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 fly. I can get fly, 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 fly.
I finished my to-do list kind of early, so now I'm just waiting for my Zoom meeting.
Relax your mind and let it unwind. No time for fights. Just open your eyes to see the light. Don't hesitate now. There's too much in front of you to take a hit now. Prepare for the worst, but prepare for the best. 'Cause only your mind holds the curse that you partner with it. I ain't tryna stop you from the love that guides you. I just wanna be the one to try you, mold you, make sure that you're on a good road. Little did you know, I can get fly, 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 fly. I can get fly, 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 fly. I can get fly, 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 fly. I can get fly, 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 fly. Ooh, this is the love and the flow that I live by.
Bop, 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 bop to the top. We're riding around the rhythm. Yo, what it do? So we're going to go ahead and read now. But I'm reading Sid Field's screenplay. I try to get down at least a chapter a day. They're on different topics or breakdowns of writing screenplays. I usually read the chapter, and then I have a notebook where I take notes on everything that I read. So I just finished reading Atomic Habits, so that's in there. And then I have all my notes from the screenplay book and my reading schedule in here. And then in this notebook is my TV Bible for the shows I'm working on. So any ideas I get, anything about the show goes in the TV Bible. So typically while I'm reading, I'll take notes, and then afterwards I'll fill out my TV Bible.
Just realize what it is and pass the lie. So don't be shy to get high. Got this green for the goodbye. Don't.
Alright, y'all, so I just finished reading a chapter of screenplay. It was all about building your characters. I'll definitely make a video specifically on screenwriting and screenplay and all that kind of stuff, especially when I finish this book. And I really want to take Shonda Rhimes' masterclass, so especially when I do those two things, I'll definitely tell you guys more about my scriptwriting, screenwriting process. But that was really good. So I'm actually gonna run to the store real quick, and then when I come back I will dive into my TV Bible.
Hold back on this new fly. I can get fly, 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 fly. I can get fly, 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 fly. I can get fly away, fly away. I can get fly away, fly away. Got a pack in the back and a seat on my left. What you wanna do, baby? You the best. Coming from the east, not the west. Southside got it written on my chest. And you know this is real love. I just wanna be the one to guide you, mold you, make sure that you're on the right road. Little did you know I can get fly, 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 fly. I can get fly, 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 fly. I can get fly, 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 fly. I can get fly, 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 fly. Keep your mind open, keep your mind open. Let's go cloud surfing. Hit the dream waves. It's a great day to go cloud surfing. It's gonna feel weird at first to let go of control of your thoughts. True desires begin to emerge, and your mind is in tune with your heart. It's like a ride on a cloud, nothing but happiness, like the experience of a first kiss. Take this feeling with you when you're feeling stressed. Something good you can reminisce. It doesn't hurt, don't cost a thing. It's so lovely. It always works, it don't cost a thing to live blissfully. Keep your mind open, keep your mind open. Let's go cloud surfing. Hit the dream waves. It's a great day to go cloud surfing. Keep your mind open, keep your mind open. Let's go cloud surfing. Hit the dream waves. It's a great day to go cloud surfing. There was a time I was just like you. I never knew I could feel like this. I had to separate myself from feeling anything negative.
What it do? So I just finished filming my Instagram, my YouTube video on upgrading your Instagram. Make sure to check it out because it's already out. If this video's out, so we out. But anyways, I gotta use the restroom now, so I gotta go. All right, so I had to put on my blue light glasses because I'm starting to get a headache. I'm going back to my to-do list for today, crossing out some of the stuff I did. So it's time to eat dinner. Thankfully, my dad's cooking dinner. Whoa-ho. I don't know what he's making, but it looked like tacos, so we're gonna keep our fingers crossed and hope it's tacos. While he's cooking that, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the next thing on my list, which is plan. So I'm just gonna kind of work on my production company, my plan for my production company. My production company does have a YouTube channel, information linked below, but I do want to be releasing more content on that channel. So I'll work on that, and then hopefully dinner will be ready by the time that's done, and after dinner I can just chillax because I had a pretty productive day.
It's like a ride on a cloud in a galaxy that I only know exists. Take this.
All right, so I got a little bit of work done, some bones, but now I gotta go to the grocery store. All right, y'all, I got good news. Dad is making tacos. Too bad you're on a science diet.
Everything you've done so we can check it all off.
Feeling with you when you're feeling stressed. Something good you can reminisce. So it doesn't hurt, don't cost a thing. It's so lovely. It always works, it don't cost.
Okay, guys, so I just got back from the store, ate dinner. Oh, there's food in my face. and we did have tacos, so I'm happy. But yeah, so I don't think you guys noticed, but after breakfast I did go on my fitness pal. I'm currently counting my calories. I also drink tea after all my meals because it's 0 calories. I love tea and it suppresses my appetite, so if I am hungry after dinner I can just make some tea and then see if I'm still hungry later, then I can have like a snack. But typically after tea my body's like, okay, I'm not really hungry anymore. But I'm finished my tea, work on Cash Productions, continue working on that, and yeah, then we're just gonna relax, we're gonna chill. Alright you guys, so I just finished planning my production content. I do content planning for everything pretty similarly, so if you guys are interested in like a content planning plan with me video, see how I'm able to break down everything so I can make sure I achieve the necessary goals for all of my businesses and endeavors, then definitely like or comment below so I know that you want to see that. So now that I've finished with cast production stuff, I just like to go ahead before I end my work day, create my schedule for tomorrow. And then another thing I do is just to make sure I have all my trackers filled out. I have a lot of habit trackers, just to make sure I count my calories, I work out, so and I read, so I make sure that I put my check mark on those days. That's satisfying check mark. Alright y'all, so about to watch some Sex and the City on HBO, and that's pretty much my day. So I hope you guys enjoyed spending a day in the life with me at home. Luckily I've been pretty blessed during this quarantine. I haven't really been affected too much, and I am happy to kind of have like my family surrounding me, that support system, and I know everyone is not so fortunate. But I do appreciate everyone staying so strong during this time. Shout out to all the medical workers. Air hugs to you guys, and yeah, this is crazy, y'all. This is a lot. But we're getting through it because that's what we do when we get through this stuff. So hope you guys enjoy your day. Had a great, excellent day, and I'll see y'all later.